My name is Robin Albers from Albers Business Communication Solutions, but I'm still teaching at Zayed University in Abu Dhabi, UAE. My presentation is called Simplify Something in the Time of COVID-19, and that is exactly what I'm going to do today. I know we have all experienced some degree of chaos because of this global pandemic. Our work has changed dramatically, yet we are still responsible for providing quality education. This has led to many of us feeling extremely stressed. I understand because I'm dealing with 3 boys at home, I'm sharing an office with my husband, and I'm also teaching 5 sections of business communication. However, I'm also having the best semester of my teaching career because of what I'm about to share with you. To some degree, this is called flipping the classroom. But it's slightly different because you are not asking students to read or listen to lectures outside of class. You are simply providing peace. To do this, you pre-record your lectures and prepare materials. Then you provide easy access to the materials by posting them on your LMS at least 4 days before the class session. You accommodate students' needs because they can access the material at any time in order to deal with sudden changes that have become inevitable this year. During class time, you communicate with students by assigning the lecture in class and answering questions that come up. You are there during class time to answer questions, provide added support, and enjoy a more relaxed pace of teaching. By providing pre-recorded lectures, it eliminates computer connection issues such as lagging or systems going down. You are not asking students to do more. You are simply providing more options and peace. My gift to you is an example of how this works. Let me be your guest lecturer this semester on the subject of making email requests. On the ABC website, I have included everything you need. Tip sheets for recording your video, a lecture on email requests, worksheets, answer keys. Of course, to continue in this style of teaching, you will need to put in a lot of extra effort to record these lectures and create the materials. However, once you do this, the nature of teaching changes for the better. You will once again be engaging with students who are there to learn, whether it's face-to-face or online. I hope this lesson serves you well and gives you a little simplicity in the time of COVID. Stay safe and be well. Thank you for listening.